Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your last love bite of October. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Libra. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. Okay. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. All right, Libra, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Four of Swords in reverse, Temperance, the Magician, Ten of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, the Fool, Two of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, and the Three of Cups. All right, Libra, there's only one upright card in this reading, and the bottom of my deck I do see the Page of Cups. So either somebody wants to come forward with an apology or they're thinking about it. Let's see. From what I feel, somebody is going through a lot of depression right now. Getting a little impatient because they're not being able to manifest their happily ever after, feeling quite foolish, feeling there is no new beginning being offered to them or they are unable to offer it, still going back and forth in their mind as to how to invest, what to do, what to say, maybe thinking of an apology because there is a lack of togetherness here, lack of reconciliation, lack of happiness, lack of celebration, feeling that nothing is in balance at the moment. So Libra, before I start clarifying these cards, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start the clarification process, okay? So Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Libra and their person, thank you. I'll take a few more from another deck. Libra and their person. Okay. And a couple more, Libra. And if any of you looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Libra and their person. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I get so effing jealous knowing that you're in bed with a karmic at night. I feel sick to my stomach at the thought of you in bed with them. Your ego is effing irritating me. Can't you see the value I would add to your life? If only you would just let me in. We could be a strong power couple. I always thought we would get married. It absolutely breaks my heart that you chose them. Whether we are together or when we are apart, you're always in my thoughts and forever in my heart. You're never alone because I'm your shadow. When you cry, I embrace you in spirit. When you are sad, I'll help remind you to smile. I'm always there with you even when you can't see me. I love you not only for your beauty, but also for your soul. Our love will be alive forever because of the way you are. Pure, true, authentic, real, raw, and passionate. I want to hold you and never let go. Let's talk and clear the air. I'm afraid of losing you. All right, Libra, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. I'm going to start, as always, with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you. As a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Libra. Faith. Well, Spirit says, somebody is losing faith here. Somebody is losing hope, losing faith that this can never come back. But I think Spirit is urging you to keep the faith. Okay, maybe imagining the worst because you guys are not together, maybe imagining that their person is with somebody else, has chosen somebody else, afraid of losing their partner. So, well, faith is required. And maybe some action as well. Maybe an apology is required as well. So let's start the reading now, Spirit. Why is the Four of Swords in reverse here with the Temperance in reverse? Because things have totally stagnated in this connection. Somebody is very depressed, very, very sad. Maybe earlier somebody was very selfish or very self-centered, was only in it for the passion. But now they want to take action. They want to take action. They want to end the fight between the two of you. They have made their choice. They're no longer now in any confusion of any other options or whatever. They have made the choice. They do want to end the fight. They do want this holding back to end. And they do want a return. They do want a return, my God. Somebody is very depressed that things have stagnated because they're wishing, but they're still not taking action. King of Wands is in reverse, but wanting the fight to end, wanting the other person to open up, wanting the other person maybe to return. Temperance in reverse. Feeling the lack of love now. Feeling the lack of love, yet still wanting, still waiting, still wishing that maybe, we can start again. Or maybe this is the other person. Oh yes. Somebody feels that their person is now single and is doing very well for themselves and is going off on a new beginning, and they don't love them anymore, and they would not want to have a happily ever after with them. I hope you got what I meant. Somebody is feeling they can't manifest their person back, right? They're feeling that I don't think, even though I want this fight to end, I think my person is so gorgeous and they're so shining right now. They must have already started out something stable somewhere else. So Magician in reverse. Yes, they feel now I won't be able to manifest. Now I can't get my 10 of Cups. I've lost my 10 of Pentacles. I've lost my 10 of Cups. This is like losing faith completely. To feel that I know, even though I want it, I know I can never get it. So lack of faith, right? 10 of Pentacles in reverse. 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, somebody is not picking themselves up. They don't have the courage to, I think, even get up and find out or apologize or anything like that. Just accepting it that this is over, sitting with a broken heart. That I know my person is so gorgeous, they've already probably gone off for a brand new beginning somewhere else. They're probably in bed with somebody else right now. And sitting without hope, without courage, sitting with a broken heart, accepting defeat. That I can never have this now. 6 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. 6 of Pentacles in reverse. 6 of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they've lost faith that a reunion is possible because they are realizing that the connection was that imbalanced that I'm sure my person has already dropped me. They wouldn't want me back. I mean, they've dropped me like a sack of potatoes or a sack of bricks or something. And why will they want a reunion back with me? Because this connection was never balanced. There was no equal give and take. And that's totally stressing this person out. They're in their head. They're doing all the question answers in their own mind, in their own head. They are the victim, they are the judge, they are the counselor, they are the lawyer, everything in their own head, and they've decided that no new beginning will be offered now. It's not possible. It's just not possible. For the Fool in reverse, Spirit. Fool in reverse. Fool in reverse, Magician in reverse, and the 5 of Cups, and the King of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. Okay, so this person is, even though they feel rather foolish, instead of telling their person who they feel now no longer loves them, right? So they are trying to be a little bit of an illusionist even now, by being a little bit of a trickster. they are still, the more they are feeling that there's no hope, Libra, the more this person is trying to pretend, I don't care, I have no emotions, I'm not even regretting the past, I'm not even sorry about what I did. You know what, I'm really happy the way things are, I'm like top of my game, I have everything I need, I don't need your love, I didn't need it anyway. Right? So this person is not just fooling others, they're also fooling themselves. So, Two of Pentacles, Spirit. Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Yes, this person has lost hope. This person has lost hope. Maybe they were the ones earlier who were not making any decision. They were the ones who were earlier back and forth or not making a decision. But now they've been dropped. Or at least that's what they assume. And now they've lost faith. They've lost faith, they've lost hope, and they're actually, heart of hearts, feeling like very disappointed. They're feeling rather disappointed that they've lost the happiness from their life, that sense of celebration, that sense of, coming together, enjoying life. They're actually feeling very disappointed that they've lost their chance here. Seven of Pentacles, Spirit. Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Yes, this person, as much as they now want to show up as somebody who has grown up or has matured up and wants to do the right thing, their fear stops them and is almost causing like an ending to this connection. Because they're not investing. This is a person who has the capability of being an emperor, of taking charge. But what stops them is this fear, bringing an end to everything. So, Three of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Three of Cups in reverse. Yes, see, this person, as much as they want to have this reunion or whatever, the reason it's not happening is because they're not doing anything about it. They're not working on the connection. They have to make an effort. One more for the Three of Cups in reverse. As much as this person now wants to have this equal give and take, Libra, they envision Four of Wands or happily ever after. They do want to work things out with whoever the other person is. They feel that so many truths have already been revealed about them, or something came out in the open, that they are assuming that their person is very upset with them, has already made that choice against them, so they don't even move. Chariot in reverse. They just stand sitting there and presuming everything. So then, Spirit, what is this Page of Cups? Page of Cups is normally a card of somebody actually going towards the other person and apologizing or giving a love offer. So why is this our overall energy, Spirit? Because this person, from what I feel, hasn't put in any work. The Sun in reverse, okay. Hermit in, yes, they know they need to make an apology, but they are still not making the wise decision, because it doesn't make them happy to know that they have to be the one to apologize now. Now they're still behaving from a very immature place, not wisdom. Let me take another one. Page of Cups, Spirit. Page of Cups. Yeah, somewhere this person, as much as they want to heal the connection, they feel they've already been caught lying, maybe in the past. They feel this connection has already backfired. They feel the decision has already been made after that by the other person. And as much as they want to bring harmony and peace back, they feel this connection is over. Two of Cups in reverse. Somebody doesn't believe in it, and nor does it make them happy to be the first ones to apologize, because they would come and apologize if they were given like a bank guarantee or something. Yes, you take this to the bank and you'll get cash in return, like you take a check. So they say, I know I would have taken that apology if I thought that, I would be forgiven, but I know that whatever has happened in the past, I know my person, they must have already rejected me, or they will, so what's the point? So yes, the lack of faith is keeping this person stagnant at the moment. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Libra. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.